Hello, and welcome back to Coca English, the podcast where we explore one simple word in each episode and discover all its wonderful secrets. I'm your host, Layla.
And I'm Sam. It's great to have you here with us again. Whether you are listening on your way to work, at the gym, or just relaxing at home, we are so happy to learn English with you.
Today, we have a very useful and strong word for you. It's a word you can feel in your arms when you carry something big. It's a word you see in the sky before a big rain. It's even a word you can use to talk about your feelings after a big meal.
That's right. Our word for today is heavy.
Heavy. Let's say it together. Listen. Heavy. Now you try. Heavy. Excellent.
So, what does heavy mean? The most simple meaning is the opposite of light. If something is heavy, it has a lot of weight. It is difficult to lift or to carry.
For example, Sam, can you lift a car?
A car? Me? No, of course not. A car is very, very heavy. I am strong, but I am not that strong. I can lift my coffee cup because it is light. But a car? No, that is far too heavy.
Exactly. So we use heavy for things with a lot of weight. A big truck is heavy. A full shopping bag can be heavy. An elephant is very heavy.
But heavy is a more interesting word than that. It doesn't just talk about weight. Let's look at some other ways we use this strong little word.
First, we can use heavy to talk about the weather. Have you ever seen a sky that is dark gray? The air feels a little wet, and you know the rain is coming soon.
Oh, yes. We can say, the sky is heavy with clouds, or it's a heavy day. This means the weather feels like it has weight pushing down on you. It often means a big, strong rain is coming. We call that heavy rain.
Not a little rain or a light rain. A heavy rain means a lot of rain is falling very fast. So, if your friend asks you, "How is the weather?" you can say, "Be careful, it's heavy rain outside. Take an umbrella."
Good advice. Now, let's talk about food. Layla, do you like to eat a big dinner?
I love a big dinner, but sometimes if I eat too much pasta or too much bread, my stomach feels heavy. It feels full and a little slow. The food feels like it has weight inside me.
Me too. After a very big meal, I often say, I feel so heavy. I need to sit down and rest for a while. It's not a bad feeling, but it is a heavy feeling.
So, we can use heavy for food that makes your stomach feel very full. A big piece of cake can be heavy. A large meal with meat and potatoes can be heavy. It's the opposite of light food, like a salad or a soup.
Now let's think about our bodies. Sometimes, after a long day of work or study, you feel very, very tired. Your arms and legs feel difficult to move.
Yes, it's like they have their own weight. We can say, "My arms feel heavy," or "My eyelids feel heavy." When your eyelids are heavy, it means you are very sleepy, and it is hard to keep your eyes open.
So if you are in a boring meeting, not our podcast, of course, but if you are in a boring meeting, you might think, my eyelids are so heavy. I need more sleep.
We can also use heavy for things that are large in amount or degree. For example, heavy traffic. Sam, do you drive a car?
Yes, I do. And I do not like heavy traffic. Heavy traffic means there are many, many cars on the road. They move very slowly. It can make a 10-minute trip take 30 minutes. It's very frustrating.
I agree. We also say heavy work. If you have heavy work, it means you have a lot of work to do. It is not easy work. It requires a lot of your time and energy.
So you might tell your friend, I can't go to the movies tonight. I have heavy work to do for my job.
Now, here is a different use. We can talk about clothes. In the winter, when it is cold, what do you wear, Sam?
I wear a big, warm coat. I wear a thick sweater. These are heavy clothes. They're made from thick material to keep you warm. They are not light like a t-shirt.
Perfect. So, a winter coat is a heavy piece of clothing. Now, let's get a little more serious, but not too serious. We can use heavy to talk about feelings and situations.
A heavy heart is a feeling of sadness. If you have to say goodbye to a good friend, you might have a heavy heart. It feels like your heart has a weight inside it.
Or, a heavy conversation is a conversation about a difficult or important topic. It is not a light, happy chat. It is serious and can make you think a lot.
But don't worry, our podcast is always a light conversation, not a heavy one.
Absolutely. Let's do a quick review. We use heavy for 1. Things with a lot of weight. A heavy box. 2. Weather. Heavy rain, heavy clouds. 3. Food. A heavy meal. 4. Body feelings. Heavy eyes, heavy arms. 5. Amounts. Heavy traffic, heavy work. 6. Clothes. Heavy coat. And 7. Feelings. A heavy heart, a heavy conversation.
Wow, who knew one word could do so much? The word heavy is a very heavy worker in the English language.
It really is. Now, we have a very important question for you, our wonderful listener.
Yes, we want you to practice. Think of a sentence using the word heavy. It can be about anything. About a heavy bag, heavy rain, or even a heavy meal you ate.
Please write your sentence in the comments below this video. We read every single one, and we love to see how you're using the words you learn. It makes us very happy.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Coca English if you haven't already. Press that little bell so you never miss a new word.
Learning English is like lifting something heavy. You start small, and with practice, you become stronger every day. You can do it.
Thank you for listening today. We hope you enjoyed learning about the word heavy.
From all of us at Coca English, I'm Layla.
And I'm Sam. Keep learning, and we'll see you next time.